Gold's intricate qualities make it one of the most desirable metals in the world, and a popular gift in the form of jewelry. But what about the yellow metal in an investment portfolio? At US Global Investors, we carefully monitor the price of gold and the numerous factors, like government policy and scarcity, that drives its price action. In this video, we give you 10 reasons why we believe gold bullion should be part of a well-balanced portfolio. But before we get started, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and hit subscribe for more educational content on gold, investing, and more. Starting off our list of reasons why to invest in gold is its long history of storing value. Since the discovery of gold thousands of years ago, it has been a coveted commodity and store of value. Although global currencies are no longer backed by gold, it remains highly valued, particularly during economic downturns when many other assets depreciate. Another reason to invest in gold is as a hedge during times of inflation. Gold has historically been an excellent hedge against inflation because its price tends to rise when the cost of living increases. Inflation eats away at cash and treasury yields, making them less attractive as haven assets, which then leads many investors to invest in gold. Reason number 3 for investing in gold? Gold jewelry demand is increasing in China and India. One of the biggest factors driving the gold price is what we call the love trade, or the seasonal gift-giving of gold jewelry prominent in China and India, the two largest bullion consumers in the world. With the rapidly growing middle class in these countries, demand is expected to rise even further. In fact, gold jewelry ownership is so widespread in India that as of 2016, Indian households own more gold than the top 6 central banks combined. Another case to be made for investing in gold is that the number of new discoveries are shrinking. Gold is both scarce and finite, contributing to its high value. Fewer locations for gold mining are being discovered today because exploration budgets are shrinking, and mining costs are rising. The easy gold may have already been mined, leaving only the hard-to-get gold in the deeper parts of the Earth's crust. With lower annual gold production and rising demand, existing gold could become even more highly valued. Speaking of shrinking budgets and rising costs, another reason to invest in gold is the increasing possibility of another financial crisis. Total government debt is at an all-time high, leading many savvy investors and savers to allocate a part of their portfolios in safe haven assets, like gold, that have historically held their value in times of economic contraction. Central banks seem to be doing the same, giving us reason number 6 for investing in gold. Since 2010, global central banks have been net buyers of gold as they move to diversify their reserves, with net purchasing totaling 333 tons in the first half of 2021 alone, according to the World Gold Council. Central banks buying gold to store value is a sign that investors too might want to hold some gold in their own portfolios. Reason number 7, gold's inverse correlation to the US dollar. Because gold is priced in dollars, its value increases when the dollar contracts. Bullion and the US dollar have a long history of trading inversely. In fact, gold often outperforms most major currencies on an annual basis. Reason number 8, negative real rates. One consequence of strong inflation is that real rates, what you get when you subtract the current consumer price index, CPI, from the nominal rate, can turn negative. And when this happens, gold has typically been a beneficiary. Another reason some choose to invest in gold may have to do with potential political instability. Just as investors flock to bullion during financial instability, many also do so in times of rising world tensions and geopolitical turmoil. For this reason, gold is sometimes called the crisis commodity, and its price often appreciates the most when confidence in governments is low. Lastly, the 10th and final reason to invest in gold is its liquidity. Investors like gold because it can be traded in a pinch in nearly all corners of the world. More gold, in dollar terms, is traded every day than any other asset except treasuries, US dollars, and S&P 500 stocks. That completes our list of 10 reasons to invest in gold. For more educational content on gold, investing, and more, visit usfunds.com and subscribe to our YouTube channel.